Don't take it.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, 9A Remy Swiss lace human hair, and it is 8 inches, 2 combs on either side, a comb at the back, the adjustable strap at the back, and a comb in the middle. This is how the unit looks straight from the back. The hairline is pre-plucked.
It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try.
I'll go in, guys, and pluck the hairline a little more because I like to be extra.
Something from me, forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move.
I'll go in with my spray bottle with water and spray the hair.
Mr. Gray Sky.
I am adding some face powder to the inside of the lace.
I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
I am cutting the lace from the back of the unit.
I did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.
I am using my scissors to cut the lace, guys, and then I'll go ahead and cut and lay the baby hairs.
You did me wrong and I still care for you. Funny how this thing works, I'm over your twisted words. Started out as close friends, then became best friends. Turned into my boo, somehow you forget that too. All of this came down to your stupid move. God knows I tried. I'm so over you, I'm so freaking over you. Tired of your lies, back to back like you.
I am using the Got2b glue to lay the unit.
You think you coming back, you more dumb than I thought of you. I'm so over you, I'm so freaking over you. I should've cheated when I had the chance to. I was for only you, but you took me for a fool.
Cap size is medium. It is natural color. The density of the hair is 150%.
Cause you love so hard. I'm in my feelings, shine away in your feelings. I regret the day we met. Should've left your eyes on red. Was naive, wanted attention from your brown eyes, but there was somewhere else. I should've known, I should've known, I should've known.
The hair came as a center part, but you can part the hair any way you like, guys.
You never loved me in the first place. Started out as close friends, then became best friends. Turned into my boo, somehow you forget that too. All of this came down to your stupid move. God knows I tried. I'm so over you. I'm so fucking over you. I'm over you. Back to back like you scheduled. The hell I did to you. Mama ain't raised no fool. If you think you coming back, you more dumb than I thought of you. I'm so over you. I'm so fucking over you. I should've cheated when I had the chance to. I was for only you, but you took me for a fool.
Going in with my KERA walk stick.
I'm in my feelings, 'cause you care so much. I'm in my feelings, 'cause you love so hard. I'm in my feelings, shawty, why you in your feelings? See, I have to
I'll
let you
leave all the details of the hair in the description down below.
physically have to let you go. You're no good to my soul. I'm over you. I'm over you. Started out as close friends, then became best friends. Turned into my boo, somehow you forget that too. All of this came down to your stupid move. God knows I tried. I'm so over you. I'm so fucking over you. I'm over you. Back to back like you scheduled. The hell I did to you. Mama ain't raised no fool. If you think you coming back, you more dumb than I thought of you. I'm so
I am using my face powder to brighten the parting space.
I was for only you, but you took me for a fool. I'm in my feelings, why I'm in my feelings. I'm in my feelings, 'cause you care so much. I'm in my feelings.
I am also adding the powder to the lace at the front of the unit.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how I handled.
This is the finished product, guys. I received minimal shedding, and maybe it's because I plucked the hairline, but I am in love with the unit, guys. I'll leave the link in the description so you can go and check Amazon RQY Hair out if you're interested, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, remember, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.